This after they were fired not even overnight. They were asked to leave the very same day. These are young employees who were sent offer letters back in 2022 but were not onboarded until late 2024. This delay in onboarding was an industry-wide issue in IT after fears of a looming recession led companies to pause hiring. They gradually started hiring after the demand environment was getting better. So on 7th October 2024, 930 trainees joined Infosys Mysuru campus for training. But out of these, over 400 have now been fired after they failed their internal assessment exam. As per an IT employees union, which is now preparing to file a formal complaint with the Labour Department, on Friday morning, which was 7th Feb 2025, they were called in batches of about 50 for a discussion. This in a room guarded by security outside and bouncers inside. They were apparently not allowed to carry their phones inside, so they could not record the events of the meeting. They were made to sign confidentiality clauses. The IT Employees Union has hit out saying that this is blatant corporate exploitation and cannot be allowed to continue, and we urge the government to take swift action to uphold the rights and dignity of Indian IT workers. But now, over the last 2 days, more details of this saga have begun to emerge. As per a report by Money Control, a trainee from Madhya Pradesh pleaded with Infosys officials asking them to let her stay the night on 7th Feb after this meeting, saying, "Please let me stay today, I will leave tomorrow because where will I go right now?" However, she says that the Infosys officials said that we don't know how you will go, you are no longer part of the company, vacate the premises by 6 p.m. Infosys themselves have admitted that the firing has taken place, saying that at Infosys we have a rigorous hiring process where all freshers, after undergoing extensive foundational training at our Mysuru campus, are expected to clear internal assessments. All freshers get 3 attempts to clear it, after which they will not be allowed to continue with the organization, as is also mentioned in their contract. They say this process has been in existence for over 2 decades and it ensures a high quality of talent available for their clients. However, trainees who spoke with Money Control alleged that the company had made the eligibility criteria very stringent for this batch. The freshers training program has undergone drastic changes in the last couple of years. They say that in 2022, the process was more structured and it gave enough time for learning. From 2024 onwards, the syllabus was expanded and completion time reduced drastically, which made it difficult for the trainees to fulfill it. The trainees also alleged that trainers had warned them beforehand that the exam would be designed in a way that a significant number of them would struggle to pass. Out of the 930 trainees who joined last year, about 160 passed in the first attempt and 140 in the second. 450 freshers will now sit for their third attempt on 14th February and their fate will then be decided. While termination rates were under 10% earlier, they are about 30 to 40% now. Infosys is yet to respond on this particular report. As of now, we will update the story once they do. However, this case has led to a huge outrage on social media, with many demanding answers from India's second largest IT company. We will keep